we're gonna shoot a short video on how to clean your WeatherTech or your rubber floor mats on your vehicle. So mine are a little dirty. Basically what you want to do is wash it off, get all the dirt out from a garden hose or a power washer, and then you want to go ahead and use some all-purpose cleaner on it. Get a wheel brush or just a normal brush and basically clean it all out. And then we want to wash it off again and let it dry. You can either blow it dry or just leave it hanging. And then after you're done with that, you want to put on some sealant. We're going to go ahead and get started cleaning these floor mats, and we'll show you the whole process. Okay, basically when you're done washing them off, you want to go ahead and leave them to dry. And then after that, you want to put it on the rubber dressing. That's what I was trying to say earlier. Use rubber dressing on this and make sure it does not produce a slick surface. If it produces a slick surface, make sure you wipe it down with a microfiber towel, so that way it doesn't leave a residue and you slip whenever you hit the gas pedal, but it shouldn't allow that. But basically, these are almost brand new, so I will not do them with these ones. But in the future, I will go ahead and do that in a different video. Feel free to stay tuned for that. Once I'm done with these, I'll put it in the vehicle. If they need a little bit of cleanup, I'll just put some rubber dressing around the sides. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments. And then when you're done with that, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.